It is no secret that heavy snow and then leafy trees do not always mix. And as that snow continues to come down tonight, arborists are preparing for a busy week ahead. Our Evan Krugel with what you can do to protect your trees.
As Mother Nature delivers her first blast of winter weather, the fall colors are still popping on Denver trees, a potential recipe for disaster.
With all the leaves on the tree, we may see a lot of failure and stuff around the metro area.
David Boswell and Ross Tree Company spending Saturday doing some last-minute pruning. Sunday, these crews will shift gears.
Yeah, they're going to shift to doing more emergency tree work, and so where we go out and address the problem that's on hand.
Boswell says the timing is interesting because while some trees have already lost their leaves, others haven't even started the process.
Your autumn blaze maples and stuff that stay fully leafed out and still green right now, those leaves could potentially catch that snow, weigh those down, and if you have structural issues in the tree, it's going to bring those branches down and cause a lot of issues and potentially a lot of failure and stuff around the community.
David says if it's safe to do so, you can grab something and try to knock the snow off of these low branches. But he says in general, it's best to let Mother Nature run its course.
Yeah, and if you can get to some of the lower branches on the tree and stuff, sometimes that helps. But at this point and stuff, sometimes it's better to wait for Mother Nature to run its course. And if you do have a failure, don't mess with it. Get us out there to assess it, and so we can, especially if it's on your house or something along those lines, we can get out and get that taken care of so that you're not put in harm's way.
Boswell says healthy trees that are properly pruned will stand a much better chance of avoiding damage, and says it's a good reminder to have this done before the snow arrives.
Yeah, I'm expecting a busy weekend.
In Denver, Evan Krugel, 2 Prime News.
All right, Evan, thank you. And we will keep you updated on the snow on air and online.